Hello friends and welcome to Scholars Point. Today we will study about a third process which is occurring in the ecosystem. First was productivity, second was decomposition, third energy flow, and fourth nutrient cycle. Okay, in this way it is the third functional aspect of the ecosystem or third important process of the ecosystem. What is meant by actually energy flow? The flow of energy from one trophic level like producers to primary consumer, then secondary consumer, and then top consumer. In this way always energy flows from organisms, but basically energy coming from sun. Therefore sun to autotrophs, green plants to herbivores, the primary consumers, then to secondary consumers, primary carnivore, and then to tertiary consumer, means secondary carnivore. In this way the flow of energy is unidirectional, means always from sun to producers to consumers, then primary, secondary, tertiary, in this way. Okay, and the direction of the energy flow never be reversed, always like this, and at each level the energy made available is less comparatively. Okay, in this way the energy flow occurs in the every ecosystem, either it may be small ecosystem or very giant ecosystem. Through tropic levels the energy flow occurs unidirectionally. Okay, for almost all ecosystems on the earth the sun is the only source of energy except the deep sea ecosystems where light not reaching properly. That is why the very deep seas are there on the planet, and where the sunlight not reaching, that is why they using another ways, not photoautotrophs, but they become sometime chemoautotrophs or they become consumers. Okay, in this way except deep sea ecosystems, everywhere the sun is the only source of energy to ecosystems. Out of the total solar radiation reaching the earth, less than 50% of it is photosynthetically active radiation, means the entire radiation, whole radiation reaching on the earth, out of that less than 50% is photosynthetically active radiation, remaining non-active, because in that radiation no photosynthesis occurs. That photosynthetically active radiation is called PAR. All autotrophs, means the green plants as well as photosynthetic microbes like bacteria, cyanobacteria, etc., using light energy to prepare their own food from simple inorganic substances like CO2, H2O. Okay, plants capture or plants trap only 2 to 10% of PAR, means the reaching radiation on the earth is less than 50%. Out of that less than 50% PAR, only 2 to 10% PAR, means photosynthetically active radiation, can be used by plants and photosynthetic microbes for photosynthesis. Plants capture only 2 to 10% of the PAR, and this small energy sustain the entire living world. Okay, this small amount of energy sustain the entire living world, because plants preparing their food and then consumers depending upon plants, and in this way the living world sustain on the planet Earth. it is very important to know that how the solar energy captured by plants and other autotrophs, photoautotrophs like microbes. It is very important to know how the solar energy captured by plants flow through different organisms of an ecosystem, and that is the flow of energy, how the energy flows from one organism to next organisms present on different trophic levels. Okay, all organisms are dependent on plants, means on producers for their food, directly or indirectly. Some, suppose herbivores directly depend, but carnivores indirectly depend. Hence there is a unidirectional flow of energy in every ecosystem. Either the ecosystem is small or very huge, but always energy flow occurs in unidirectional manner and never be reverse. Hence there is a unidirectional flow of energy from sun to producers. Sun is a source of energy, radiant energy, solar energy or light energy, that is trapped by producers making the radiant energy into food energy, and then to primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. The direction of the energy flow never be reversed. Energy can be used only once in ecosystem. The energy formed by the organism used only once, not again and again. Autotrophs are called producers. Green plants or photosynthetic bacteria, etc., they are called as producers because they produce the food, means carbohydrates. In a terrestrial, means land ecosystem, herbaceous and woody plants are the major producers. On the land, on the terrestrial ecosystems, herbaceous plants, means small size plants, and big trees are the major producers. While in aquatic ecosystems, the phytoplanktons and algae are the major producers. Means the ecosystem changes, land to water, then the examples also get changed. All animals depends upon plants for their food are called consumers. Animals consume food from plants called consumers, or they are called also heterotrophs. But again, in animals there are different trophic levels. Animals eat only plants are called primary consumers, means herbivores. Like some insects which are herbivores, like grasshopper, aphids, which are small insects located on the lower side of leaves mostly, and they suck the juice from the leaves, called aphids. Then birds. Some birds are purely herbivores, like parrot. But some birds eating insects and others, they are carnivores. Parrot is a herbivore. And some mammals. Mammals have many examples of herbivorous animals like sheep, goat, deer, cattle, donkey, horse, etc. Zebra, camel, etc. In terrestrial ecosystems, these are the examples of primary consumers or herbivores on occurring in terrestrial ecosystem, land ecosystem. While mollusks, means snails, slug, oyster, etc., in aquatic ecosystem, they are the herbivores of the aquatic ecosystems, because in aquatic ecosystems less herbivores are there. Animals feed on primary consumers. Now the animals feeding on primary consumers, means herbivores, are called secondary consumers or carnivores, because they eating the grasshopper or the sheep, goat, deer, etc. They are called secondary consumers or primary carnivores. For example, here there are many examples. Okay. And then again, the animals feed on primary consumers means herbivores are called secondary consumers or primary carnivores. And the similarly next trophic level, animals feed on secondary consumers means primary carnivores are called tertiary consumers or secondary carnivores. Here there are 4 trophic levels represented and their examples. Okay, now trophic levels is the arrangement of groups of organisms according to food chain or food web or transfer of energy flow in this manner. There are 4 trophic levels. First trophic level is of producers, then primary consumers, secondary consumers and the tertiary consumers. Okay, first trophic level is producer means primary producers. They are eaten up by primary consumers, then primary consumers eaten up by secondary consumers and secondary consumers eaten up by tertiary consumers. Here producer is the first trophic level. Here all types of photoautotrophs are there, and examples of producers means photoautotrophs includes phytoplanktons, grass, trees, etc. Then the second trophic level is a primary consumer, includes all the herbivores. Examples zooplanktons means phytoplanktons eaten up by zooplanktons or any type of material, grass, etc. eaten up by grasshoppers. Okay, then third trophic level is called secondary consumers and includes the carnivores. Here herbivores eaten up by carnivores means grasshopper, zooplanktons eaten up by fish, then grasshopper eaten up by either bird or frog, etc. Then cows and other small herbivores eaten up by wolf, etc. Then the last tertiary consumer, last trophic level is called tertiary consumer. It is the fourth trophic level, includes top carnivores. Here the lion, tiger, etc. and the man are some examples of the tertiary consumers. Okay, in this way we learn about the flow of energy from producers to other trophic levels, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, in this way, but in unidirectional manner, always not like this but always like this. Unidirectional flow of energy occurs from one trophic level to second to third to and then to finally top tertiary level. Okay, this is all about the energy flow. Okay, thanks for watching the video.